Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about enabling the SSH connection for Windows nodes or slave mission from Jenkins Master. I think this is the first technical video made on enabling the SSH connection for Windows nodes. In this video, I will explain step by step on how to set up the nodes on the Jenkins mission and then enabling the SSH connection for Windows missions from Jenkins Master. Before enabling the SSH connection, first we'll finish the setup on the Windows mission. First check Java is installed on your Windows mission. That is node mission. If Java is not installed, install the Java 8 version. Then go to the command prompt and go to the users and particular user and generate the SSH key using the command SSH key gen. When asked to enter the file in which to save the key, enter blank. After that, when asked to enter a passphrase, enter blank. Enter blank when asked to enter the same passphrase again. Private and public key would be generated under .ssh folder. See, you can see the screenshots. You can see the screenshot. I have entered SSH key gen. Then enter passphrase. Enter the same phrase again. Then yeah, it created the keys. The keys are like public key and private key under .ssh folder users under user and user folder. Then go to user folder and go to .ssh. Then copy the contents of private key available in the IDRC. Yeah, so we have finished the generating the SSH key. Then we go to the next steps. Yeah, now we'll complete the step 4. Install the Open SSH client and Open SSH server on Windows node machine. First go to system settings, then app and features, then go to optional features, check the Open SSH client and Open SSH server is available. If Open SSH server or Open SSH client is not available, then click add feature, search for SSH and install Open SSH server and Open SSH client. Yeah, first we'll go to the system settings and apps and features. Okay, now I'm in apps and features. Go to optional features. Search for SSH. Yeah, Open SSH client is already installed. Open SSH server is not installed, so we will install the Open SSH server. To installing SSH server, click add feature. Search for this one, enter SSH, then Open SSH server is displayed. Select this one, then install. Yeah, Open SSH server is installing now. And finish the installation. Okay, now we finish the step 5. Configure the Windows Firewall. Go to the control panel and then go to system and security and then goes to Windows Firewall and then select Windows Firewall, or go to control panel, Windows Defender Firewall. Click advanced settings in the left panel followed by inbound rules. Then click new rule under actions in the right panel. Select the port portion, type 22 in the specific local port box and provide name and finish. Now we'll do this setup. Go to control panel, go to system and security, then goes to Windows Defender Firewall, then click advanced settings, then click inbound rules, then click new rule, then select port, next, enter port number 22, then next, then next, then next, provide the name, then click finish. Yeah, so now we have configured the port 22. Now we'll finish the step number 6. Enable the remote desktop. Go to the settings, system, remote desktop, check enable remote desktop is on or off. If it is off, make it on. Okay, now I am in remote desktop. Here it is off. Enable this one. Now we'll finish the step number 7 and step number 8. Search for view advanced system settings, then click go to remote tab, then select radio button, allow remote connection to this computer and select the checkbox. Yeah, I have opened this one. Then go to remote, then check that allow remote connection to this computer is enabled or not. Yes, it is enabled. Then install the PowerShell on the Windows machine if already not installed. So here I provided the link, so you can install the PowerShell using this link. Yeah, this link I'll provide in the video description also. Then open PowerShell as an administrator. Then run the following commands to start the SSHD. Okay, so here we can see the PowerShell. Then run as a administrator. Yeah, PowerShell is opened in an administrator mode. Then run all the below commands. The commands are start SSH service SSD, then set service name SSD startup automatic, and see this is the complete code you copy and paste. So this all ABC you run on PowerShell. Okay, so we already ran the PowerShell as an administrator and we have already opened the PowerShell. Now we'll run the commands one by one. Yeah, admin started. Then copy this one and paste here. This is also done. Then copy this and execute this. Yeah, there's so all the three steps are completed. So in the you don't worry, in the video description I'll provide all these comments so that it's easy for you to execute this command in the PowerShell. So now we have completed the setup on window node mission. Now we'll perform these operations. How to set up the nodes on Jenkins mission and then enabling SSH connection for window node slave mission, window nodes or slave mission from Jenkins Master.
Okay, then navigate to Jenkins, click manage Jenkins, click manage and node, then click new node, then enter the node name test SSH, provide permanent agent, click OK, then remove directory where the SSH key generation happened, that is lab users slash lab user. Then use this node as much as possible. Launch method, click here, select launch agents by SSH, then provide the host, then credential, click add Jenkins, select SSH username with private key, the scope is global Jenkins node items are all, yeah, let it be, and the description test SSH credentials, enter lab user, username of node mission, then we have to enter the private key, select the private key, enter directly, click add, then you have to paste the private key what you have copied from the node mission and paste here and click add. Let the test SSH credentials, then host key, no verification strategy, known host file verification strategy, select the non-verify verification strategy, then availability, keep this agent as much as possible, then click save.
After entering the data and click on save, you can see that window node mission is getting started via SSH. You can see the slave status agent ready on board, agent successfully connected on online, and this is a Windows agent. So we have successfully enabled SSH connection for Windows slave mission. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and also please like share the video also, and you can watch also video on enabling the SSH connection for Mac node or slave machine from Jenkins Master.